kakatapos ko lang mag-work. May pupuntahan kami kasi we have to pick up something. The time right now is 3:28. Bali 3:10 natatapos yung work ko. Yan. And dito kasi guys, kapag tapos na yung yung time, tapos na talaga at that exact time. Gets ba? So, hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas, 4:30 matapos yung klase, minsan nagiging 4:40, 4:45 pa. Dito you have to dismiss the kids at the exact time or else you're gonna get in trouble kasi sinusundo sila ng bus or cars, ganun. Nandito kami sa harap ng building guys, kung saan nandun sa loob yung asawa ko. Yan. Nag-uusap sila ng kapoy kong maayo. But I had a very great day today. Sana ganito lang palagi. Napagod lang ako kasi kulang ako ng tulog. Yan lang talaga. Maaga naman akong natulog kagabi pero hindi ako nakatulog right away. So it took me like hours, like maybe 3 hours before ako nakatulog, and then yeah, I had to wake up early.
A few moments later.
I don't get it. Gigutom na kaayo mi guys. Ayan. So from Pizza Hut, kain-kain. From Pizza Hut, we stopped by at Walmart. Naami diri karon sa Walmart. So after here, we're gonna go to the park. So ito yung drink ko.
What is that drink? Oh, I thought about drinking.
Drink. I don't know.
I wonder how she does.
And this is for my husband.
Hey, I don't see you there anymore. You still working there? Oh, yeah?
Yan. Nagutom na ako masyado. Chika tayo later kasi grabe na to. Todo na to. Gigutom ako. Gabi na guys, so hindi na kami pupunta ng park kasi wala ng time. So pagdating sa bahay magluluto pa ako. And as usual, yung pangmadali ang luto na naman. Meron kaming pansit and bumili ako ng sardinas kanina sa Walmart. So yun na lang ang lulutuin ko, and kumain naman na kami ng pizza. So at least later on pag magutom kami, maybe around 10, ayan, yun na lang ang kakainin namin, yung pansit. Pero right now we are still okay. Tapos yeah, ayan. So maaga tayong magpahinga ngayon kasi sobrang pagod si lola nyo. And yeah, magbasa-basa lang kami ng konti ni Rachel after namin mag-dinner. So yan na lang yung plan namin, and maybe tomorrow we can stop by at the park after we grab some food after work. Yan, right Daddy? Napagod na rin si Daddy. But yeah, we had a very productive and nice day today. Right Daddy and Rachel?
Yeah.
Although we didn't get to go to the park, bukas na lang siguro. Yan. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching our video.
2,000 years later.
So, bahay na kami guys. Ayan, so pagkatapos kong mag-change ng damit, dali-dali kong prepare yung ingredients para sa ating pansit. Meron tayong chayote, carrots, celery, and bell pepper, onions of course, and bawang, yung garlic. Ayan. So, medyo napagod talaga si Lola ninyo today kasi marami tayong dinaanan after namin pumunta doon sa building na nakita ninyo. Pumunta kami sa chiropractor kasi dinaanan ng asawa ko yung kakilala niya doon. Kasi parang he wants to like make a business, something like that. Tapos, ayun na nga, pumunta kami ng Walmart kasi namili lang kami ng konti. And then, dumaan din kami sa Dollar Tree kasi tiningnan namin kung yung Dollar Tree na yon is meron silang pencil box pero wala rin. Ayan. So, anyway, it's been a very tiring but productive day. And I had a beautiful day today. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe if you are not subscribed yet. Until my next video. Ayan, nanatay dinner. Lami siya guys. Lami yun basta sardinas ang ihalo. Mas ano siya, mas malasa. Gagawa lang ako ng juice and then, yeah, mag-dinner na kami.